Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ASUS Zenfone 8 Flip to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and tapping on the search bar. Then type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now choose I accept, click Confirm, then Continue and Allow. After that, select Receive on an Android and Send on ASUS. Now tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will just, for example, click on this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and select Receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, you can click on the scanning icon over here on an Android. Then choose Allow and point your camera at the code. Now we wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure by going into your menu, typing File and going into Files. Over here, select, in my case, Images, and as you can see, Send Anywhere section is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!